Hi everyone! Onew Circle. If you were here during the K-pop reaction videos, you know I am an MVP. I am very excited for this. I've watched all the behind the scenes videos for this album, but I have no idea what's in here. I haven't watched any unboxing videos for this. At the event, it looked like there were 3 versions, but I don't have the money to collect, so I just got this version because it was the biggest one. I have no idea what's in here, no idea what to expect. I just hope, for some odd reason, okay, so of course I watched the MV music video. The children's TV show set weirds me out. I don't know why. You would think that would be my favorite because I love color and cheerfulness. I love those kind of videos. But it weirds me out. I don't know why. My favorite actually was the Baron Desolate seeing what he says was supposed to represent the emptiness in the heart. Why? Because of the contact lenses. He was wearing bright blue contacts. Ah! So I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's just open. There are things falling out already. How do I... What? Is this a sleeve? No. Get... Oh, they put everything all together. Yes. Okay. So apparently there's a film strip, and I think that's the photo card. Let's put all that over here. Is this... Are you in a sleeve? What is going on? Here's the back, by the way. Pretty cool looking. Is this a sleeve? Yes! It's a sleeve. Okay. Okay. By the way, this thing feels so cool. If you have 17s and Ode, the envelope, this is what that's what this feels like. It feels so nice. I really like this cover. I really like this. Look at that. I really like those pictures. Focus. 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 There you go. I really like those photos. There's the empty spot in the heart. Okay. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna have to... Are you gonna focus, camera? Look at... I really like the picture. First picture in. I already really like it. And I have dice. I really like how that was like... It felt like a magazine. This is such a pretty picture. I really liked how that felt like a magazine. This thing is so big! This thing's huge! I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I don't know. This is weird. The giant beads. Oh no, there's pictures on this side. You can see it. You can see it. Oh my god, the glare. Why? There we go. How about there we go. I like that picture. Oh my god, the entire thing is... Holy crap. I don't have enough room for this. It's a really nice picture, though. Oh. Okay, so the lyric book is a part of the photo book. Okay. I like that. I like it when they do that. Well, I do and I don't. Depends on how they do it. This way I like. He's so goddamn cute. What book is he reading? Is he holding, I should say. Oh my god. Look at. I keep bumping you. That's going to keep happening because, as you can see, the tripod is right here. I don't have room for this. I'll figure something out sooner or later. This blurry is kind of tripping my eyes out. Oh, there's something in the next page. Hold on. Don't look. Okay, I didn't look. Yes, I'm using a box knife to prop it up. That is an interesting light fixture. I like this picture. Oh my god! Oh my god. Yep, that's the favorite so far. Why is this thing so big? Oh, there's another good one. That's another good one. Look at the floofy hair. This is so weird to me, though. The tag on the shirt right here, it's so weird. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Oh my god. No, you're in the fold. No, who placed this? Who did this? No, he should be like this way more, so he's not in the fold. Oh well, it's a nice picture. Oh my god! He has the contacts! Okay, first. Yeah, wink. But look. He has contacts! I absolutely love it when idols put in bright blue. Oh my god, that's creepy. Put in bright blue contacts. I love it so much. Oh my god. He still has the contacts in. Ooh. I really like that picture. There we go. Oh. Why does the glare keep moving? What is happening? Oh my god. Huh? He wakes up from a nap. Yeah, I like these, but the blurry is close to the camera is kind of tripping up my eyes. That's the picture to beat now. I love that picture. Oh. Oh my god. I bumped you. I'm sorry. Glare, my. I love the shadow here. I really like it. It's taking me forever to go through these pictures. But that's because I like looking at them. That's cool. You can barely see it. I can't show you the whole thing. That is cool. That is super cool. I really like the effect on that one. No, see, that just makes the glare worse. Ugh. This thing is so big and floppy. Ooh, I like that one. I wish he wasn't blurry, but I do like the emptiness and the moon. Let's see if I can show you. See that? I like that. That is cool. Oh my god, I think we're only halfway through. This is taking me forever. But it's Onew. What are you doing? This thing's so big and so floppy. Okay, I like these pictures. Oh yeah, the railroad. I remember these. I remember seeing this in the video. I keep bumping the tripod. I'm sorry. What? That's a little... What? It's even creepier on camera from what I'm seeing on my screen. Are you gonna focus? Can you focus? Focus. It doesn't want to focus. That's a little creepy. Like, it's creepier on the camera on my screen. I don't... okay. Ooh. I do like that. I really like the color in this one. That's really nice. Here's another one of the emptiness and the moon, but the moon is blurry this time. I like it. I like that. I like how it's whole page too. Oh, now he's on the train. I love the hair in the face. There's something about it. Oh, that's an interesting one. The camera is focusing on the tree outside the window, but you can still see his fuzzy reflection in the window. That is cool. That is super cool. And another. Why are you so close to the center fold? I don't like how they place some of these. Oh, that's interesting. That's an interesting picture. That's pretty cool. Oh, now these. Okay. I really like the black outfit on him. Ooh. I like that picture. I like that picture. A slight close-up on the eye. It's really nice. Oh yeah, him on the roof. Ooh, I like that one. That's a really nice picture. There we go. I can do this! I am blonde! Why wasn't I doing this from the beginning? Because I'm blonde, that's why. There we go. glare. I really like this water effect up here. Ooh. That's a nice shot. That's a nice shot. Ooh. Now we just got kind of like a photo reel. I'm looking at the pictures. I like that one. Okay, so none of him in the outfit in the music video in the bleak area. But we got pictures of him in the contacts, which I am very happy about. I am very, very happy about that. Credit page. I like that picture too. All done. All done. My God, that was a lot of pictures. Yes. I love the cover of this thing. I do. I really like it. It's so big and so floppy though. Oh my God. Wait, where's... Okay. Ugh. This is a... I thought this was a poster. I thought this was a folded poster. It was a giant postcard. Like a mini poster? I don't know if this is random or not. I don't know if there's other ones. There's something on... I don't know. I don't know if this is random or not. But I like it. I like it. If it was random, I wish I'd gotten one of him with the contacts in. Okay, CD. CD. Oh, that's cool. I like that. That is super cool. I love the... Like, it's been used a lot, the little scratches. Like, it's been through the player a billion times. I really like that. Okay. Oh, the photo card was already set up. I didn't really see it, though. Okay, that's just... This is just advertising bullcrap. Okay, so we got a film strip. Okay, this is the shoot with him with the glass of wire. Okay. Oh, you can't see... I don't remember if that one had contacts or not. But you can't see even if he did or not. But that's fun. I like it. Okay. Oh, I can do this. Okay. There we go. Oh, that's much better. There we go. Yeah, I like this. I would have liked better to have one where you could see contact lenses, but look at his signature. You can translate that if you want. I can't. This is the last inclusion. Oh my God. Look at the little smile. Does he have contacts? He does! I got the photo card with the contacts! Ah! Oh my God! Focus. Focus. But can you see? Yeah, you can see it. That he's got the contacts in. Oh my God, I am so happy. Oh, okay. That's it. I do kind of wish that you got more in here. But this thing's freaking ginormous. This is almost as big as the entire album. But There we go. That's what we got. With this thing again. There we go. Well, I hope you enjoy me being an MVP. That's it. Man, there's a lot of pictures in here. It's kind of thin, like width-wise. It's like this, but there's a lot of pictures in there, and I do wish there were more pictures with the contact lenses, but oh well. Well, I hope you enjoyed Onew circle unboxing. Hit the like button, leave me a comment if you would like. And if you like reaction videos, I have extremely old ones that you can go watch. If you want to watch them now, because I might have to privatize them and make them not available. So watch them while you can. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!